Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with the Windows Hello pin. Remove button is grayed out, so you can't remove that sign in option. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accounts on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to go and select Sign In Options. Where it says underneath Additional Settings for Improved Security, only allow Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device, you would toggle this off. The reason it's not letting me turn this off is because I don't have Windows Hello configured, so it's not letting me turn it off. But in your case, you would toggle this to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.